Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a few weeks ago my husband purchased me some flowers and I loved the way they made our dining room table look, but of course they died. But while scrolling through Dollar Tree I saw all these pretty roses they had and I was like, I can do something with that. And I did. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook and stay tuned to see how I created. Alright guys, to begin this project, I'm just filling this fishbowl with white roses that I actually had left over from my wedding, but Dollar Tree has white roses as well as other color flowers that will work just as well. And I'm just tilting the bowl to the side a little bit because my hands are too big for the hole and that just helps me put them in there. And I'm not gluing them down because once you put about 4 or 5 in there, they hold each other. And now I'm just taking this floral foam that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree and I'm marking the rim of the fishbowl, and this is where I'll apply the glue later to attach the roses to the tower. And I started by putting one rose on each side and I just worked my way in from there. But I did cut my stems too short when I cut the roses from the bushes. So when you do this, guys, just leave a little bit of length on there because you can always cut off what you don't need, but you don't want to start too short like I did. But it still worked out, so not a biggie. And I'm just putting them in there, no particular order. And I'm going to go through later once I get all my roses in there and fluff out and make any adjustments I need to. And I used about 7 bushes of roses. And here I was down to the end of my E6000 glue and I didn't feel like running back to the store, so I just cut it open and I'm applying E6000 with a popsicle stick to all my glasses that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So this is basically a full-blown Dollar Tree project. Now I'm only using 4 fish bowls because the more fish bowls you use, this more wobbly the project becomes. But I did want this to be a tall centerpiece, so I just used some random glass that I found in Dollar Tree at the bottom to give it the height that I wanted. And to attach the roses to the top of the fishbowl, I just use hot glue. And that's it. Here is my table setup. Absolutely gorgeous. Everything on the table came from Dollar Tree except the red charger plates, which I purchased from Walmart. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, see you later.